Car Story research indicates this vehicle as loaded with features and a fair price. Features also include keyless entry, leather seats, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, Uconnect system. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2017 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, backup camera. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.